Hello everyone, my name is Rosika and welcome back to my channel Learn with Rosika. Today this is the second video or part 2 of the problems on trains series, and in this video we will be solving the other 3 problems which will help us to know how to use the other formulas. Okay, I have explained how the formulas have been formed in part 1 of this video, so do check the video before starting with this one. Okay, so let's start. A question says over here, a train of 240-meter long crosses a man walking along the line in opposite direction at a rate of 3 km per hour in 10 seconds. The speed of the train is. So the options have been provided over here as well. This is SSC 2010's question. Let us start with it. Length of the train is given 240 meters. Okay, the object is a man. Okay, so we don't have to consider the length of the man, it will be negligible, hence we can say that b equals to 0. Speed of the man, and speed of the man is v, which is 3 km per hour. Okay, and what do we have to find? That is u, which is speed of the train. Fine, this is what we have to calculate. First of all, let us convert this to meter per second. As we have the length in meter, it will be 3 into 5 by 18. This is the very first formula that I have shown in part 1 of this video. So what is the value of this? This is 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 6 is 18. So it is 5 by 6. Now as we have converted it from kilometer per hour, it will be meter per second. I hope you have understood this. Next, we will go with the formulas. Okay. Since it is provided in the question that it is in opposite direction. So if it is in opposite direction, the time taken will be A plus B, which is the length of the train and length of the object, or length of the other train, whatever applicable, divided by u is the speed of the train and v is the speed of the man or the object which is running opposite to it, and the relative speed will be u plus v. Okay, this formula also has been derived in part 1 of this video, so do check that video. Now from A, let's put the values over here, or let's do it in the second line. What is t? It is, sorry, I haven't written that. It is 10 seconds as provided in the question. Okay, so it is 10 seconds. A is 240 meter plus B is 0 divided by U is what we have to find. Let us write it as U, and V is 5 by 6 meter per second. So next, how do we solve it? First we will write 10 over here, 240, and take LCM. We have U by 1 over here, so we will take LCM. LCM of 1 and 6 is 6, and over here it will be 1 into 6 is 6, right? So 6 into U. Here 6 into 1 is 6, so 1 into 5 is 5. Next, 6 will move upward. That means it will be 240 into 6 divided by 6u plus 5. Now next we can write it in the form 10 equals to 240 into 6 divided by 6u plus 5, right? So next we will perform cross multiplication. 6u plus 5 into 10, and here we have 10 by 1. 6u plus 5 into 10 equals to 240 into 6. Now this will give us 60u plus 50. 10 multiplied by 60 is 60u. 10 multiplied to 50 is 10 multiplied to 5 is 50, and this would be 240 into 6, that is 1440. Now over here when we solve u, it will give us 60u equals to 1440 minus 50, and next it will be u equals to 1440 minus 50 divided by 60, which is 139 divided by 6 meter per second, right? So if this is meter per second, what do we have to do it? The options that is provided in the question is in kilometer per second. So we will convert this to meter per second. The answer we got is U equals to 139 divided by 6 into, when we convert it to kilometer per hour, we will multiply it with 18 by 5. While converting hour to kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiplied with 5 by 18, and when we do the reverse, we multiply with 18 by 5, okay, as it is provided over here. So 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 3 is 18. Next, when we multiply this, it will give us 139 into 3 divided by 5, which is 83.4 kilometer per hour. So is this in the options over there? Yes. So option C is the correct answer. Now let's move to the next question. It says two trains are running in opposite direction with the same speed. Speed of the train is same. Let's say speed of the train, let's say this is, okay, let speed of the train be s meter per second. Next is, if the length of each train is 120 meters and they cross each other in 12 seconds. So length, which is A, is equals to B is equals to 120 meters. So length of both the train is same and the speed is also same. They are crossing each other in time 12 seconds. Okay, so they are crossing in opposite direction. So we need to find the speed of the train, this in kilometer per hour. So we know the formula. If it is in opposite direction, the formula is A plus V divided by U plus V, correct? So A plus B, length is same, A and B is same, so it is 120 plus 120. This is the speed of the train, which is S and which is same, so is equals to U is equals to V. So we can write it over here as S plus S. Okay, T is provided as 12 seconds. So let us write in the next line. 12 equals to, it is 240, isn't it? 120 plus 120, and this is 2S, right? We can cut it right over here. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 into 120 is 240. Next we have 12 cross multiplication. 12 into S equals to 120. So here S is equals to 120 divided by 12. So this is 10. 10 meter per second. Now what will we do? The answer is asked in kilometer per second, right? Sorry, kilometer per hour, right? So we will convert this to kilometer per hour by multiplying it with 18 by 5. So this is 5 into 1 is 5, 5 into 2 is 10. So 2 into 18 is 36 kilometer per hour. Option C again. So option C is the right answer. I hope you have understood this one as well. Let's move to the next question. So we have the last question with us. A train passes two bridges of length 500 meter and 250 meter in 100 seconds and 60 seconds respectively. So we are provided with two conditions over here. In the first case, the length of the train B is the length of the object, that is 500 meter, and T is 100 seconds. This is the first case, okay? And in the second case also length is not known. B, the length of the object is 250 meter and the time taken is 60 seconds. Now which formula will be used in this case? So in this case, the second formula which we have studied in video 1 or part 1 of this video will be used. That is time taken to cross the object is equals to time taken to cross L plus B meters. So over here L is the length of the train, that is A, or let us write A plus B meters. Okay, in this case we don't use that formula. For example, if I tell you the formula that we used previously was a plus b divided by u plus v, right? Or u minus v, whatever applicable. This was directly the value of time. Time was a plus b divided by u plus minus v. But in this case, it is not like a plus b seconds. No, it is the time taken to cross the object is equal to the time taken to cross this distance. What do the question say? The question asks, this question says, a train passes two bridges of length 500 meter and 250 meter in 100 seconds and 60 seconds respectively, right? It is crossing the bridge. So time taken to cross the bridge is equal to the time taken to cross this much of length. That is length of the bridge plus length of the train. So in this case, we will write T equals to d by s. That is the normal formula for time, distance by speed. Distance is this a plus b divided by speed. Now speed we are not provided with it, so let us take speed equals to x meter per second. Here as well, speed will be same. So let us do, in the first case, time is 100 seconds and a is a plus b is 500 and s is x. So let us write this as equation 1. And in the second case, the time taken is 60 seconds, as we can see from here, and the length of the train is same, a, plus the length of the object or length of the bridge is 250 divided by speed is also same, that is a. So let us write this as equation 2. Now from equation 2, first we will use substitution method in this. From equation 2, we will find out the value of x and we will put the value of x in equation 1 to find the value of a, because a is the ultimate answer, right? So to do that, we will cross multiply in this way. So this will be 60 into x equals to a plus 250. Again, we will shift the 60 to right hand side, that is x equals to a plus 250 divided by 60. Now this will be our equation 3. Okay. Now the next step is putting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 1. We are putting the value of x from equation 3 to equation 1. So let us write equation 1 first. 100 equals to a plus 500 divided by, in place of x over here, we will copy this value from equation 3. That is a plus 250 divided by 60. Okay. Now over here, 60 will move to the numerator. So it will be 100 equals to 60 into a plus 500 divided by a plus 250. Now we will cross multiply this again. 100 into a plus 250 is equals to 60 into a plus 500. 60 into a plus 500. We will cancel single zeros over here. This one and this one. Again we can simplify this. 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 into 5 is 10. So we are left with, we will multiply this. 5 into a plus 5 into 250 is 1250 equals to, we have here 3 into a plus 3 into 500 is 1500. Now next we can shift this 3a in the right hand side and the sign will change. It will be minus 3a, and we will shift this 3a to left hand side. It will be minus 3a and 1250 to right hand side, which will be minus 1250. Fine. The sign was plus in left hand side. It will change to minus when we shift it to right hand side. So 5a minus 3a is 2a and 1500 minus 1250 is 250. So a is 250 divided by 2, which is 125 meter. So option B is the correct answer. If you have more questions in which you are stuck and you are not able to solve that, do mention those questions in the comment box. I will try my best to provide you an answer. Okay, so till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.